Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Porchetta is one of those fantasy meals where its layers of texture make you fall in love with each bite. Salty, crispy fat, juicy meat, and bursting with flavor. Also, porchetta is a thing of complete joy. You can cook this as the epic centerpiece of a big feast with all the trimmings, or serve it up on a board with a carving knife.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Tonight, we are going to make this delicious porchetta. Porchetta is a deliciously moist rolled pork belly covered with a crisp, crunchy skin and seasoned with fresh green herbs. This is an Italian culinary tradition, but this time, let's make it as a Filipino-style porchetta. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Let's begin with preparing the pork belly. We have to first trim the loin and the belly. Focus on removing any silver skin on the loin. For the belly, score the fat cap side of the belly with a series of 1/4 inch and X marks. A classic Italian recipe, porchetta traditionally involves sage, rosemary, and many herbs. But this time, a Filipino-style porchetta, a must-try. Rubbing the pork belly with salt, garlic, onions, freshly ground black pepper, soy sauce, and with lemongrass. It tastes like adobo. Using two hands and with thumbs under the belly and hands over the loin, roll the belly over the loin until the belly pinwheels over itself. If you have filling, don't roll too tight, or the filling will squeeze out. Start stabbing it with a paring knife. What? I know, usually I am not a proponent of piercing the outside of any piece of meat I'm cooking, but stabbing the rows all over will do a couple of things. First, it allows the skin to shrink during cooking without pulling off the loin, keeping the loin moist. It also makes for a super crispy skin as it. When done rolling, take several pieces of kitchen or butcher twine. Then tie them to hold the rows together. Porchetta is the roast pork of choice in central Italy, often sold by street vendors outside shopping plazas, at festivals, and in marketplace. Now, it's time to get creative. You want to cover the belly with your preferred seasonings, like my leftover soy sauce, garlic, and of course, a lemon juice. Cover and put it in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours.
So after 24 hours of marinating it,
make sure coat the fat cap side of the belly with olive oil.
let's put some oil around. Then salt.
Heat the oven to 250 degrees.
Let's roast it.
And place the porchetta on a rack in a roasting pan. Cook in the center of the oven for about 1.5 hours. Then, turn the oven up to 400 for 15 to 20 minutes to crisp the top of the tenderloin. You probably don't need me to tell you how delicious this was. How can you go wrong with pork wrap in fatty pork with crunchy skin? The impressiveness of this roast makes it perfect for the holiday table, but it's so good that you'll want to eat it all year. Oh my, this is irresistible. Yum.
Let's try it. I can't wait. See. Oh my gosh, so crunchy. So good. This is good with soy sauce or vinegar with lots of onion. It's a soy sauce deep.
That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.